Ever wondered what sets the wealthy apart from the rest of us? What are their money-making tricks? We have a list of secrets for you that have helped millionaires become the wealthy people that they are. Entrepreneurship, the path to millions. Entrepreneurship is often the path that leads individuals to amass fortunes, and it's not just about starting a business. It's about embracing calculated risks and wholeheartedly investing in innovative ideas. Millionaires like Moed Altrad, the brains behind Altrad Group, exemplify this entrepreneurial spirit. Altrad kicked off his journey to success by making his first million in the scaffolding business. What sets entrepreneurs like him apart is their unwavering passion and adaptability. They're not afraid to dive into uncharted waters, believing in their vision even when the odds are stacked against them. Moreover, a strong work ethic is the backbone of their success, as they pour their sweat and dedication into their ventures. Yet, it's not always a smooth ride. Challenges are inevitable. However, the true secret lies in their perseverance through these obstacles. Moed Altrad's net worth of $2.6 billion attests to the immense rewards that can come from taking those entrepreneurial risks and staying committed to your dreams. It's a simple rule, but a smart one. Speaking of taking risks, investments are always a risk. But when you invest strategically, the tables could turn. Smart investing. Investing is like planting seeds that can grow into money trees. It's about making your money work for you by putting it into things like stocks, bonds, or real estate that have the potential to increase in value over time. Warren Buffett, often hailed as one of the greatest investors of all time, exemplifies this approach. He strategically allocates his wealth into various businesses and stocks, allowing it to grow exponentially. Buffett's investments have consistently yielded remarkable returns, solidifying his status as one of the wealthiest individuals globally. His success underscores the power of wise investment choices in accumulating wealth and achieving financial goals. One smart move is to set up automatic contributions to your investment account. This way, you don't have to remember to invest regularly. It happens automatically. Here's a golden rule. Aim to save and invest at least 20% of your income each month. It might sound like a lot, but it's a fantastic way to steadily build your wealth over time. Whether you're investing for retirement, a dream vacation, or financial freedom, this rule can help you reach your goals faster. So start planting those money trees and watch your wealth grow. Hard work and consistency. When it comes to the secrets of millionaires, hard work and consistency play a pivotal role in their journey to success. A strong work ethic, like the one Tony Tan Kak Tiong, the founder of Jollibee Foods, possesses, can't be underestimated. Tony made his first million in the competitive food service business and has gone on to amass a net worth of $3.6 billion. This success isn't just by chance. It's a result of dedicating countless hours and putting in the effort required to build an empire. Millionaires understand the importance of setting clear goals and tirelessly working towards them. It's not always a smooth ride. Challenges are an inherent part of the journey, but their persistence in the face of adversity is what sets them apart. So the next time you enjoy a Jollibee meal, remember that it's not just about the food, but also about the incredible journey of hard work that brought it to your plate. Side by side, one should also be networking. The power of strategic networking. Strategic networking is like a secret weapon in the arsenal of millionaires. And it's not just about collecting business cards. It's about building genuine relationships and valuable contacts that can open doors to new opportunities. Attending events and conferences is where this magic often happens. Tim Draper, a Silicon Valley venture capitalist, is a prime example of how powerful networking can be. He made his first million with a savvy venture capital investment, but it was his ability to connect with the right people that truly set him apart. Through networking, individuals like Draper gain access to unique opportunities that can significantly impact both their business and personal lives. It's not just about making money, it's about enhancing one's overall quality of life by surrounding oneself with like-minded and influential individuals who can help navigate the complex world of businesses and investments. And you can even find ways to diversify your income that way. Multiple streams of income, diversifying wealth. Have you ever heard of the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? A key strategy that many millionaires use is to diversify their wealth by having multiple sources of income. It's about not relying on a single source of income, but rather exploring various avenues. Investments, real estate, and passive income are some of the routes they take. Take Peter Hargreaves, for instance, a leader in the financial services sector. He made his first million through financial services and has since diversified his wealth. With a net worth of $3.9 billion, Hargreaves likely ventured into investments and perhaps real estate, ensuring that his wealth wasn't tied solely to one source. This approach spreads risk, provides stability, and the potential for exponential growth. It's like having multiple legs to stand on, ensuring that even if one falters, the others can keep you firmly on the path to financial success. Long-term car ownership. Cars can be quite a financial pitfall, mainly due to depreciation. See, when you drive a brand new car off the dealership lot, its value takes a nosedive faster than you can say vroom. That's what we call depreciation, and it's a major money eater. If you keep switching cars every few years, you're essentially throwing cash out the window because cars don't hold their value like, say, a house. To drive this point home, let's look at Mark Zuckerberg, the brains behind Facebook. With his mega wealth, he could easily afford a fleet of luxury cars. Yet, you're more likely to spot him cruising in a modest Acura. Why? Well, Mr. Zuckerberg gets it. He understands the wisdom of long-term car ownership. Instead of spending thousands of dollars on a flashy new ride every year, he's putting his money into things that actually appreciate or grow in value over time. It's a smart financial move. Now, when it comes to strategies for paying off car loans pronto, here's the deal. If you've got a car loan, those interest charges can really add up over time. One way to tackle this is by giving back whenever you can. Giving back. Giving back through philanthropy is not just a hallmark of millionaires. It's a way to make a lasting positive impact on communities and society at large. By generously contributing to charitable causes and supporting community initiatives, millionaires improve the lives of others and build a remarkable personal brand and reputation. This commitment to giving back defines their success and leaves a meaningful legacy, showing that wealth can be a force for good. It's a reminder that true success isn't just measured in dollars, but also in the positive change one can bring to the world. Which of these secrets will you implement in your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content.